Please, I'll do anything. Please, don't take me with my daughter. Please.
You're fine. Just breathe. Just breathe, okay? Man, stop.
How many opportunities did we give you?
I'm sober. I've been 15 days sober. I shouldn't have done it. I should have.
That's fine. You're gonna keep your shoes off for now? You're fine right now? You're good?
For everything. Why can't I pay for everything and be done with it?
The 4th of May, 2023. A retail store. A shoplifting complaint. One arrest that escalated into 3 charges in under 7 minutes. Where did the law hold and where did it bend?
She went to the register and she just like put it inside the bag without scanning it.
Alright, man, do me a favor. Stand up for me. Stand up. I need you to stand up. Here. See the tablet? Put it down. Come on. Stand up and turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
They won't work with me?
They want to prosecute press charges. That's what it is. Stay right here. Do not move.
Can I get my medicine, please? Can I get a cigarette? Did they say I could have a cigarette?
Once we're done doing
Once we're doing what we have to do, we'll let you get a cigarette. Come on.
Can I get my other hearing aid first, please?
Let me find it and then I'll get it for you, okay?
That's funny. I want to pee first. I gotta pee so bad.
Ma'am, please sit in.
But I have to pee.
I understand. You're just delaying the inevitable. Ma'am, please.
I'm never gonna see my daughter again.
Come on, the seat is up. You gotta get up, ma'am. You gotta get up.
I know, I am.
Okay. Come on. There you go. Come on. Sit the right way.
I have anxiety.
You're fine. You're fine. Watch your.
Please, I'll do anything. Please, don't take me with my daughter. Please.
You're fine. Just breathe. Just breathe, okay?
I gotta breathe. Can I just like to breathe?
Ma'am, you're gonna fall.
I gotta breathe.
You're gonna fall. Okay.
I have anxiety.
You're fine. I'm gonna let you sit like this. I'm gonna buckle you in after. Just sit down and relax, okay? Just breathe. Okay. All right. Nothing else in
here. What she just got arrested for too?
No.
Possession of that.
Okay. Let's just this way. We're gonna let you smoke a cigarette, so we're gonna let you out. Need you to just listen to whatever we say, though.
Okay.
All right, come on. I got you. Go ahead.
I took my shoes off because I started sweating. I have anxiety really bad.
That's fine. So here you go.
I have my drink. I did pay for it.
You want me to put it in your mouth for you and then light it
no,
up?
I got it.
I'm not gonna take you out of the handcuffs though.
No, I know.
You got it? Okay. Here, I got you. I'll light it up for you. There you go. Okay.
I shouldn't have done it tonight. I'm sober. I've been 15 days sober. I shouldn't have done it. I should have.
That's fine. You're gonna keep your shoes off for now? You're fine right now? You're good?
Yeah, no,
okay.
I just want to call.
Okay.
I shouldn't have done it.
Ma'am, don't move from right there.
sorry. I'm so sorry.
Alright, man. Go ahead, take
No,
that.
I'm going on to praying.
I will toss her the cigarette. Don't throw it on the ground here. I got your bottle. I'll throw it
I
in.
don't think you're allowed to leave cigarettes on.
I know. That's why I'm telling you not to toss it on the ground. Good. Here, give me.
Sorry.
Hey! Man, stop.
How many opportunities did we give you? Huh? We let you sit down and smoke, and then you're gonna start taking off. Now, guess what? That's another charge now. Get in. Get in. Step up. Buck hard.
Sit back.
Please give me a chance.
Well, you just made it 10 times worse. Why did you think running was going to be smart?
I don't want to lose everything. I'm a good girl, please. I just got mixed up with the wrong guy. I'll pay for everything. Why can't I pay for everything and be done with it?
We'll debrief and talk about it all later.
Yep. Oh, I already know what
Talk
it is.
about it, right?
Yeah. So I know what's coming out of it.
It's not something that we're just gonna be like, yeah, that happened, and then not talk, right?
No, yeah. They guaranteed. With the highest. Never again. One ruins it for all, bro.
The arrest begins with a store employee's direct account of the subject concealing merchandise without payment. Under Illinois v. Gates, 1983, an identified eyewitness tip from proximate personnel satisfies probable cause for a warrantless arrest. No further corroboration is required. That lawful foundation extends to the use of physical control. Handcuffing applied here falls within soft empty hand control, the lowest effective force tier. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, force is evaluated. From the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision, at this threshold, no constitutional issue arises. The subject's in-custody requests for medication and a hearing aid are not merely procedural, they carry constitutional weight. Under City of Canton v. Harris, 1989, the government bears an affirmative duty to provide reasonable medical care to individuals in custody, unaddressed. This creates direct exposure under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. A second arrest on a possession charge follows from the same scene. Under Chimel v. California, 1969, a search incident to lawful arrest requires no warrant and is constitutionally authorized as a matter of course, limited to the person and the area within immediate control. Statements made by the subject during this period were spontaneous, not in response to officer questioning. That distinction is dispositive. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, the advisement requirement attaches only upon custodial interrogation initiated by law enforcement. No interrogation is present here. Miranda is not implicated. The legal calculus shifts entirely when the subject attempts to flee. Flight from lawful custody constitutes a standalone criminal offense under most state codes, separate from and additional to the original charge. The officer's on-scene statement, that's another charge now, is not a warning. It is a legally accurate statement of consequence. Following recapture, the subject offers to pay for the stolen merchandise. That offer has no procedural force. Once a lawful arrest has been made, charging authority rests exclusively with the state, not the arresting officer. Restitution may serve as a mitigating factor at sentencing, but it is not a defense, and it does not reverse the arrest. Grade 1 officer, B+. Grade 2 subject, C. Lessons learned. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.